Are you looking to build your own fitness app or wondering how to turn your fitness business into a scalable digital platform? If you're a fitness coach, gym owner, or yoga instructor, this video is for you. The global fitness app market is projected to reach approximately $120.37 billion by 2030. In fact, it's already booming. From free fitness apps to advanced AI fitness apps, users are actively looking for smarter solutions every day. And today, that doesn't just mean one type of app. It includes everything from gym management systems, personal trainer booking apps, online workout platforms, nutrition and diet apps, yoga and meditation apps, wearable fitness dashboards, subscription platforms, corporate wellness solutions, and even AI-based fitness coaching bots. People are tired of generic apps. They keep asking, why is my fitness app not tracking steps properly? Can a fitness app track steps without a smartwatch? Which fitness app actually works best for weight loss? And many more. What they really want is a smarter, more personalized experience. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Now, the first question you should ask yourself is, who is your app for? Is it for beginners? For people searching fitness apps to lose weight? Or users looking for simple home workout solutions? Or are you building something more specific like a gym and fitness center management system, a personal trainer booking platform, a nutrition planning app, or even a corporate wellness solution? The clearer your niche, the faster you grow. Now think like your user. When someone searches which fitness app is best or which fitness app works with Apple Watch, they expect features like AI-powered workout plans, personalized nutrition tracking, progress dashboards, wearable integration, video coaching. Whether you're building a workout streaming platform, a trainer app, or a fitness tracking dashboard, these features directly impact engagement and retention. AI is what makes your app truly powerful. It can recommend smart workouts, give real-time feedback, act like a virtual coach, even help with posture correction. This is especially powerful for AI coaching bots, wearable fitness apps, and personalized health platforms where user experience matters the most. Now here's the smart way to start. Don't build everything at once. Start with an MVP, minimum viable product. Launch with basic workouts, simple tracking, limited AI features. Whether it's a trainer booking app, yoga app, or fitness subscription platform, start small, then scale based on real user feedback. This saves time, reduces cost, and speeds up your launch. Now coming to tech, how do you actually build it? You can use React Native or Flutter for mobile apps, Node.js or Python for backend, AI tools for smart features. This tech stack works across all solutions from fitness tracking apps to enterprise-level wellness platforms. Keep your app simple, clean, and engaging. Whether it's a meditation app, workout platform, or dashboard, a better user experience means higher retention and more revenue. You can earn through subscription plans, personal coaching, in-app purchases, brand collaborations. This works across all models from fitness apps and coaching platforms to corporate wellness programs. Even free fitness apps can generate serious revenue with the right strategy. So instead of asking which fitness app is best, start building one that users actually choose. If you're ready to build your own AI-powered fitness app, partner with NetMaxims, your AI-driven digital tech partner with 20+ years of experience. From idea to MVP to full-scale launch, we help you build, scale, and grow globally. Book your free demo now and get started today. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more.